Hello, friends. Today we're going to walk through how to actually access this ASCCC Purgatory. So if you click on the link, it will bring you to this page, and it looks kind of weird, right? Because there's nothing on it. So the way we go through this is you go over here to Contents, and it will bring down this drop down, and you can either go to Campus Bookshelves, but the way I find it easier is you go here to Bookshelves, and then it gives us this big drop down for all of these different topics. And let's say you want a OER textbook for art. So you drop down the art and it brings us up all of these different art history textbooks. If you want composition, it'll bring you down to here. So let's just go ahead and click on introductory composition, first year, whatever. And it brings all of these different textbooks up for you to use. So maybe you think this one sounds good, a short handbook for writing essays in the humanities and social sciences, or maybe about writing a guide, or basic reading and writing from Lumen, composing ourselves in our world. So you would just pick whichever. Yeah. So you would just pick whichever textbook that you want. So maybe you want this Introduction to College Composition from Lumen, English Composition, Rhetoric, what have you. We're just going to go click on this first one here, a short handbook for writing essays in the humanities and social sciences by Oloso and Oloso. And it gives you the table of contents, and we're just going to go ahead and get started reading. So we have it, and then just like with all of the LibreText, you could just go through and click through this, or if this is taking too long for you, you can just go ahead and click on all these hyperlinks, but we're probably almost there. Yep. So we're still in the same textbook and we are in the reading. Or you can go to PDF, and if you want to download the full book, you can, and then you can just put the PDF into your class. You can do the pages. So we'll download the full book and we'll show you what that looks like. So let's click this open. And so here is our shorthand book for this particular text. So we can just scroll through, and there we go. We can upload that to our class, or we can have them read it online, whatever works. And you can do that with all of these LibreText ones. We can go back to, we want to go back to our bookshelves if we want to get back to it, and then we can go back to whatever topic we want. So maybe literature and literacy, click through that, go back to our bookshelves. Maybe we want to get something for languages, maybe we want to use French. And then let's just click on this first French OER and take a look at that and see. Okay, so front matter, we have Unit 1, Bonjour. Unit 2, at the university. Unit 3, family. I don't speak that much French to do the next one. In town for Unit 5. And then around the house for Unit 6. So maybe we go here to Unit 1, Bonjour. Comment c'est salir? Please don't judge my French. I don't actually speak French. But so what are we going to look at? So we have here a little video to watch, a little audio on French greetings, our textbook in there, another little audio, the audio. But this is how you use this particular resource. And it's a little bit difficult to navigate. There's a little bit of a learning curve. But as always with the LibreText, you can download the PDF, you can put it into the class, or you can just direct them to the specific link for whatever it is. So if you just want to link them to this Introduction to College Research, all you'd have to do is you would just copy the link, paste it into Canvas, or if you want to do it week by week, then you'd say, okay, week 1, we're going to read the introduction. So read the introduction, copy and paste that link in there. Week 2, we're going to talk about the age of algorithms. So just copy that link and paste it in and say, read 2.1 to 2.7. Week 3, we're going to talk about disinformation. So you're going to read 3.1 to 3.6. Or you can just PDF, chapter, and it will download all of that for them. And then you can just upload the PDF. So now that we have navigated this a bit, please email me if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.